Hello everyone, welcome to this example where we are required to first, for part A, find the length of the three lines given the coordinates. So I'm going to make use of the formula which I'm going to write out here. So the length is equals to the square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, so for part A, and I usually like to color code them to make it easier for me to see. So for PQ, my working goes like this: the square root of bracket 3 minus negative 3 square plus 2 minus 0 square, and this will give me the square root of 40, and square root of 40 would then lead us to 6.32 units to 3SF. We shall continue for QR. Again, I'm going to color code R as green color, and you will then see my working. I will have 4 minus 3 bracket square plus negative 1 minus my 2 bracket square. This will give me square root 10, which is equals to 3.16 units to 3SF. Okay, let's move on to part the next line. Okay. PR. Going to repeat this whole thing again. P and R. So I will have my 4 minus my negative 3 square plus negative 1 minus 0 square, and this will give me a value of square root 50, which is equals to 7.07 units to 3SF. Okay, part A is done. Now for part B, we do have to show that PQR is a right angle triangle, and to do that, I saw that if I look at their values, I saw that PR square is equals to square root 50 square. This one is equals to 50. I also saw that PQ square plus QR square is square root 40 square plus square root 10 square also give me the same 50. And since PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR square, by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. And once I know that this is a right angle triangle with PR as the longest side, I would then be able to find the area of a triangle easily by, let me just have one more space as I go to this side, and I'm going to just draw this sketch. Longer side will be 50, square root 50, sorry. So if this is P and R and Q, PQ would then be square root 40, square root 10, not drawn to scale. And with this, I would then be able to find the area of this triangle, PQR, simply half times base times height. So that the final answer would be 10 units square. And we are done with this example. So let's move on to the next example.